Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Latasha Valentine, and in this video I'm going to be doing the quickest makeup look ever. Okay, I'm going to be doing the quickest makeup look ever. Of course, as you can see, I've already done my brows off camera, and if you do want me to do a brow routine, please let me know and I will definitely do that in my next makeup video. I'm going to go and apply my foundation. I'm actually rushing, so this makeup is literally for everyone. It's not going to take long at all. So I went in with my Fit Me Maybelline matte poreless foundation, and I'm going to just blend that all over. I'm going to blend that, and then I'm going to come right back to you, let you see what that looks like. I'm sure you've, probably blended foundation already. So yeah, so I'll see you in a few ticks. Alright guys, so I went off camera and literally blend that really quickly, and in the process I've actually removed some of the brows as well, and then got some of my own lashes in my eye, which is very irritating, and so you can see why my eyes are really red. Sorry guys, I'm talking really fast because I am literally rushing. I'm going to go in with my concealer and I'm going to apply that underneath my eyes, because obviously you can see some of my dark circles here that I really need to get rid of. I have been using some really nice skincare, and I'm hoping that it will work. Get rid of all of these dark circles, all of these bags. If you do want to see a routine of my skincare and what I do, go ahead and leave your comments down below, of course. Hold on a second, guys. Did I mention don't forget to like, share, and subscribe? Don't forget to leave loads of comment. Yeah, why not? Join the Latasha family, Latasha Valentine family. Of course, you are welcome. Please click on that subscribe button. So yeah, I plastered that underneath my eyes, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out. So blend it out as much as possible, leaving no lines of demarcation. Make sure it's blending properly into my skin. As I said, I am rushing, so I'm moving really quickly. Blend. Take away all of that extraness on and underneath my eyes. I don't want to see that. I don't want to look like I'm really tired or anything like that. This is really good. You see? Very quick. Listen, this makeup is so quick. It's unbelievable. And I'm going to come back when I'm done the other side. You see? Nice. Alright guys, I'm back again. I'm blending that out, and while I was blending it, I took the extraness on the of my sponge and I just went up on my nose. If you can see the difference, I hope you can. Just a little bit of a difference, not much. I'm gonna go and set everything in with my Airspun setting powder. I used to go really heavy with this. I mean, I'm still going heavy with this. I'm just heavy-handed. I don't know. Go straight in to set that, because we do not want any oiliness, any creasiness, or nothing like that. I want to enjoy the day without looking like we are fried. We want to look matte and dewy with a little bit of a glow. Yeah, that's the look I'm going for. That's the look I'm definitely going for. I mean, this is, yeah, really quick. So I'm going to put that down. Oh, look at my edges, actually. Well, to be fair, they're actually coming back. Oh, I'm getting powder everywhere. Jesus face. Okay, so that is done. I'm going to go in with another powder. And I think this powder I'm going to go in from, this is the bronzer. I don't need a bronzer. I think I was going to use my Estee Lauder, but I think I'm going to... Alright guys, I'm going to go in with my powder. I really need to just be quick because I literally only have 2 minutes left on this this phone. 2 minutes for the space that I have in my phone. So yeah, I'm going to come back when I'm done powdering my face and everything. And I'm going to put my lashes on. And then guys, I wasn't able to do my lashes because the glue is not dry yet, so I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's palette. This one is the Zulu. I was told to use orange, so I'm gonna go in with orange. I didn't want to do orange today, but you don't know, someone tell me, so if I use the orange, so I'm gonna put on orange for my good girl lid, and I'm just gonna pat that on. Yeah, because I want it to show up. I didn't, obviously, you can see I didn't put any base or anything on, and it's still showing up, which is good. So I'm just gonna blend that out. And then when I'm done, I'm going to let you see, because obviously your girl got 1 minute and 40 seconds on this camera before it tell me that I can no longer put any more video clips in there. So I'll be back in just a second. Alright guys, so I'm so sorry that I didn't get to come back properly to show you the finished look. So I'm just finally coming back. I actually left and went to a party, and guys, look, you can see the makeup is still sitting and looking really well. So guys, this is a finished look from what I was doing. I really hope you enjoy it. It was very quick, very quick, very easy. It doesn't take a lot at all to get this look. Look how nice it is. And my hair, guys, oh my god, how cute is this? I literally just did the what did I use? These things right here. I use a flexi rod, about 6-7 of them, to wrap everything, did them in hot water overnight, and this is the curls that I got. So cute, so beautiful. Absolutely love it. If you did like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to, you know, share it. Don't forget to leave a comments, and guys, please don't forget to subscribe. All right, so I'll definitely see you in my next video, God willing.